What's up, guys, and welcome back to Smif and Laly. And in today's video, we're going to be exploring the Cadillac Ranch out in Amarillo, Texas. So stick around to the end, we'll tell you all about it. U.S. Route 66 was one of the original highways in the United States numbered highway system. It was established on November the 11th, 1926, with the road signs erected the following year. The highway, which became one of the most famous roads in the United States, ran from Chicago, Illinois, through Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and finally coming to an end at the Santa Monica Pier in Los Angeles, California, covering a total of 2,448 miles. In part one of our newest series, Smif and Laly Takes Route 66, we're going to be exploring the western end of the Mother Road. Now, originally, we were going to begin our journey in Tulsa, Oklahoma. However, due to bad weather, there were a few tornadoes, windstorms, pour downs. In that area, we actually started our journey exactly 1,079.6 miles from the end of historic U.S. Route 66. Cadillac Ranch is located at 13651 I-40 Frontage Road, Amarillo, Texas 79124. It is a free to the public art exhibit that is composed of 10 Cadillacs buried nose first in the ground. It was created over 50 years ago, in fact, in 1974. So this year marks the 50th anniversary since Stanley Marsh and 3 members of the 1970 San Francisco art group, the Ant Farm, created this exhibit. Whoever could have guessed that on June 21st, 1974, 1 millionaire and 3 artists were creating one of the largest and most visited roadside attractions on the entire Route 66. Today, Cadillac Ranch boasts over 1.4 million visitors each year. On June 21st, 2024, the Cadillac Ranch is set to celebrate their golden anniversary. The Amarillo Museum of Art will be running a special exhibit documenting the history of Cadillac Ranch from June 1st through August 15th, 2024, with a special celebration on June 21st. So if you're in the area, be sure to check that out. And one last fun fact while you enjoy the video is that the spot that the location is now is not the original location. In 1997, the spot was actually moved 2 miles down the road. So if you go visit, you'll see the original location. They still have a little bit of a exhibit there, but 2 miles down the road on the feeder, you'll see the actual Cadillac Ranch. And I hope you enjoy, and may it be there for many years to come. Initially, it was never really expected for the cars to be painted, to be anything. It was only going to be an exhibit. However, throughout the years, first of all, it's in Texas, so one of the first things that started happening to it was people started shooting it. They were shooting the cars. Then next thing you know, here comes the spray paint. And in the beginning, the creator was a little bothered by it, but then it just kind of became a thing to do. And now there's years worth of paint, spray paint, and if you spray paint on a car, within 20 minutes, more than likely yours will be covered over by someone else's work, which is okay. It's all part of the fun. And you're not limited to just the cars. People spray paint the ground, they spray paint the barriers, the garbage cans, and as weird as it sounds, it's actually really pretty. So check it out. It started with just some, traditional graffiti, and then it became messages of love, some messages of hate. You are welcome to put whatever you want out there. It's full freedom of speech, but try to be kind. Try to be a decent person. There's families there, there's kids there. You can have a good time. Cadillac Ranch is definitely a fun place to stop, visit. It's historic. I think you'll have a good time. Go out there, see if you can find our spot. Take a picture with our, if it's still there, that is. Take a picture with our signage and send it to us. You know, we'll do something cool for you. I don't know what, though. Some naughty little monkeys. All right, folks, so a few things to know before you visit Cadillac Ranch. For one, there's no running water, there's no restrooms, there is no shade. So if you're gonna go out there, be prepared, be hydrated. Make sure you use the restroom before you get out there, because there is nowhere to even sneak off to and use it. And you don't want to be that guy. You know, don't mess with Texas. So don't whip that thing out, or you have to whip something else out. So that's one thing to know. Also, when it comes to the paint, like I said, you are welcome to spray paint all over the place. They allow it. The road, the barriers, the cars, anywhere you want to. However, you are not allowed to bring your own spray paint. You will have to purchase it there. As you can see, there is a truck there. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little pricey, but one cool thing is people don't use a whole can of spray paint typically, so there's plenty of cans just laying around that you might be able to shake up and get some paint out of that. And that'll be free for you, but don't tell them I told you to do it, you know what I'm saying? So visit the Cadillac Ranch. It was a fun time. It's good. I gave you all the tips. I let you know what the history is. Now you go out and make some memories all on your own, all right? Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate you as always, and we'll see you in the next one. But in the meantime, just remember, be inspired, be inspirational, be peace.